I came to ACS this year just to learn a little bit more about all the different products. I always feel like I can get better. I can do better. So being able to have the presentations and sit in on all the different classes has really opened my eyes to different tips and tricks on how to become more efficient myself. So I went into it with my goals of learning so much more about Formfinder and Wayfinder. Formfinder more so that I can become paperless in the next couple of years for the district. How we can have everything at the driver's fingertips, including their pre-trip, post-trip, student discipline forms, everything, and being able to import that information into our database right away. I spoke to a lot of districts at ACS about Formfinder and learning how they utilize it in emergency scenarios and, doing head counts and making sure all the kids are in the proper seats for police reports. That's really important because that's one of the things that takes us a lot of time. When we get back to our office after post-accident and filling out all that paperwork, one of the things is making sure you have your student information.
I can do save as, and it's going to ask me if I want to save this as a CSV or an Excel workbook.
Having that accessible right there, you can send an email to the police station right away or the police officer that's taking care of it, and they're able to file that right away.
So we use this MILMA anytime we do any kind of changes, whether it's on a mass scale or a single individual, any kind of changes, we send out that mail.
Just being here at ACS, it's such a great environment. They never downplay a situation. If they can't answer it for you when they're up presenting, they'll tell you stick around after. They'll pull you aside. Hey, let's look at your database. Let's pull it up. That is the personal touch that you want to hear.